Ito po yung Holy Family.
Alright, good morning. Today we're heading to this famous church here in Antipolo. This church is known for peace and good voyage. So if you're a traveler, this is very popular for you to visit here in the Philippines, in Antipolo. The drive here was pretty crazy. There's people trying to ask you to park in their stalls, and right when you get down, people are already jumping in trying to sell you some goods. It was very interesting, you know. Salamat. So they're trying to sell like flowers, little keychains, and all types of cool stuff for this church here. The guys are running, trying to find you to park in their spot, so that way you can get some. They can get some money. It's about 6 a.m. It's a very interesting sight. As you can see, this guy. It's they call it like alay lakad in the Philippines. Some people walk here to this church from like crazy parts of Manila and more. But as you can see, we're here early, but it's getting busy. This walk down here gets you to a market. Damn, they even have a Lechon right on the street. That's cool. So this road, we're gonna walk down it. You can see this market, virtual tour of the stuff that I do love showing you. They even have Lechon, it's crazy. Lechon early at this time. It's like only 6 a.m. Crazy. Also, so it's been raining, so that's why this boat is on the road. There's floods. Antipolo City Hall, just over here on my left. And right on the right, there's another market called Sumulong Park. Oh, look at this. Pandesal. Oh, they break it right on the road. 5 pesos. And a morning breakfast in Philippines, taho. And this is a weekend market called Antipolo Farmers Weekend Market. They have all these cool fruits. Let's go check it out. That is cool. Real fresh fruits. I'll go down and show. This is the farmers market here in Antipolo. We're very narrow here.
Yeah.
Thanks. So people are like trying to throw me souvenirs, and if you grab it, of course, it means you're gonna kind of buy it from them. So if you're here, try not to just randomly accept any souvenir that they throw at you, even if it seems like a gift. There's even a Power Ranger early at this morning. There's a pink Ranger early at this morning. I don't know if you can see it. Is the oh shit, even the Flash at this time, 6 a.m. There's even there's all these mascots. I gotta show you this place here in Antipolo is very interesting. Just down there, they're selling balloons. The Flash is here, the Pink Ranger is here. Very interesting. Flash. And out here, I just want to show you, before I go into the church, is all these balloons that they have. Balloon sellers. So this is the front of the church. As you can see, It's right across this Victoria Park and shop, Antipolo. And they have the whole in the morning. They're selling salompas. Not salompas. I forgot what's that called. But let me go show you. This is the real reason we're here. Let me go show you this church. So this is the Antipolo Church for Peace and Good Voyage. It is 6 a.m. but it is very, very busy here.
At paunlakan mo ang paghahaming aming inihanda. Nagpupuni sa iyong kadakilaan. Bago niya pinagtiisan.
Alright, we're gonna go ahead and check out there. This area over here is for the blessing. And over here is for like souvenirs. So Antipolo Cathedral. Let's go check it out.
Meron pa ba ngayon nun? Wala naman.
Kristo ay mapuklod sa pagkakaisa sa pamamagitan ng Espiritu Santo. Ama, linapin mo ang iyong simbahang laganap sa buong daigdig. Puspusin mo kami sa pag-ibig kay Heso Kristo. Sa pamamagitan ni Kristo, pagkalooban ng kapayapaan araw-araw, iligtas sa kasalanan at ilayo sa lahat.
Mikhail got the balloon here. Look at that. Also, with this place, it's very busy. Cannot, baby, it might fly away. Hail Mary wall. And I guess over here has it all in different types of languages. Jen got a cool ring over here. here at this museum. That's cool. Alright, so that was the National Shrine for Peace and Good Voyage. This church here. I don't want to go ahead and I don't want to go and film all that stuff, like you know, the whole mass. I filmed these little things for you to see of how this church here in Antipolo kind of is. We're gonna go ahead and get some morning breakfast, a Filipino morning breakfast here in Antipolo Church, which is taho. Alright, so everyone's about to leave this church. But over here, there's some cool mascots. There's even Chucky. Like Chucky and all that. And the whole morning breakfast, which I'm gonna go ahead and get. It's about 6:30 now. We'll go ahead and check this out. Kuya, magkano?
Isa po, may 15, may 20. Ano ka naroon? Ikaw, ya, 20.
50. So we got 50 pesos worth of taho. So taho is like soy pudding. That's pudding. And then over here there's gonna be this is taho, a Filipino breakfast.
Mama.
Buy one.
Kaya magkano? 20. Isa nga po. Ma'am?
Taho, a Filipino breakfast. It's like brown sugar, soy pudding, and these tapioca balls. Taho is what you should get in the mornings here in the Philippines.
Taho. Oh wow, it's good. So hot.
It refreshes you. Taho!
Taho.
Taho! So that was the Antipolo Church for Peace and Good Voyage. These are like kusinta, siomai, and all that.
Ayan po, kaso. Malandad na malaking baso, sir.
Salamat. Alright, so this is right on the, I'll say right side of the church, facing it. We'll go ahead and show you all the cool stuff. Guess we're gonna try some of this suman. Suman is like a rice cake dessert here in the Philippines.
Wanna try? Ito
po yung Coco Jam na pinopromote natin. Nagilid niya, ma'am. Ano sa isang Coco Jam yung sir? Small, medium, large? Nagilid siya.
Yung pinami niya, magkano yan?
May 200 po, may 300, 350 pinakamalaki.
Ano dyan na malaki?
Ito po. Ate,
Ano nga tuloy po yun? Suman? Suman.
So we have suman and the topping is.
Ito po 200, 300. Ito po.
What's the topping?
It's the...
Peanut butter?
No, it's coconut.
Oh, so it's like coconut jam on this suman. We'll give this a bite. Try this suman out here in Antipolo.
Ito po isang baso po.
The cocoa jam is what makes this rice suman really good.
Good?
Wow. Mm.
Adobo po. Adobo po.
Ano? Lagyan mo pala.
Buksan niya, sir.
Ay, balik kayo.
Kaya ako na yan.
Gotta get more of that coconut jam.
Apo, halaya.
Ma'am, sa kasi, ma'am,
It's like the texture of honey, sweetness of honey, but coconut flavor is present. All right, so that was the Antipolo church that people go to at Patron at, or whatever you call it, and some sights of it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you on the next one. Mark, peace. I'm out.